Pasifika making their way out. They're at 12th position, hoping this historic first ever trip to Fiji will produce their first win of the season. Still searching for their first ever away win.
And is able to get over the ad line pretty much every single time.
Well, the Fijian Drua are 11th. Now, after the results last night, they could finish 7th though. Drua versus Moana. Teddy Teller kicks off. Plenty of hang time on that one. But still, good field position for Moana. No work down that short side. Now they're finally getting it to Almore. Takes plenty of stopping. 2 players in there to bring the big man down. Captain Solomoni Funaki. Allowed. Out to Leo Leofano, just holding it up, double pumping, and eventually gets it to Havili. Oh, flick pass out the back was a good one. They're playing with plenty of confidence at the moment. Moana looking to take the crowd out of it early in Lautoka. Polai lays it back. Navatava might beat one. Falls nicely out the back, and now Havili for the corner. Slams it down, and it's a try. A try to William Havili. Well, it came off the back of plenty of possession and territory, and they've nailed it in the end.
That's a beautiful finish from Havili. Nice little dive, airborne, flipped over.
7-0, Moana over Drua. Kamatani puts it in. Here's a penalty. And they take it quickly, and it's over! Caught the napping Melly Darren Alangi. Puts it in, takes it out. Teller, Ravovo, Sessi, here's Hornisau. Stays away from the touchline this time. Teller kicking across. Kenavari is out there. Davakawa Mawai. They hang on to the jersey. Will eventually bring him down. Damatane. He goes to Apikatoa. Leo Leofano. Chance for Sessi to wind up. To the 10-metre mark. Lamani. Mirror, here's Marcy. Slows the dummy. Shows and goes. Gets away from one. Marcy! Yosefo Marcy, they come at him. They can't bring him down. That's his 7th try in his debut season in Super Rugby Pacific. Absolutely brilliant. Darren Alangi leaves it behind, and so they go to the short side, and here's Vital Munda. The ball has been knocked down and then picked up by Drua, so it's play on. The arm goes out. Advantage is being played. Another great opportunity. Teller, wide ball. Joe Assesi. He's got it back himself. They stood off him. They stood back and they paid the penalty, Moana. It's a try again to the Fijian Drua. Well, they've flipped the switch and they're on fire.
You can't give Drua that much time and space with the ball.
So here's an opportunity for Moana to hit back now. They've scored a lot of tries from this driving maul. They're over and they're down. Try. Simple as that. It's all about just putting it into a touch. Good line out. Taifu. Hamatane. Fanaki can't find a way through. The big men will have a rumble now. 7 or 8 metres out. Real pressure now for this Drua defence. The try scorer, Lindemuth. Leofano, Havili stepping through, and William has got another one. William Havili, he's got a double in the first half in Lautoka.
Beautiful work try from Moana Pasifika. They had numbers lined up on the left, bodies in motion, And the pass selection from Christian Lealefano finds Havili.
Onge on the front foot. Sessi. Ronnie South trying to run over the top of William Havili. Charging onto it. Teresa Leah. They go to the short side and Ronnie South. Wow! And Lealefano bringing Havili in over across to Hanga Anuku. He got away from one. And the inside ball is there for Talmadane. And now Omoa. Oh, he says, see you later to Ravu Talmunda. And Levi Omoa is in for Moana Pasifika. 22 advantages over for the knock-on. And Lealefano bounce pass. Got it out to Lavanda Motonga. And turned over. Canavali. And the penalty. Lealefano strikes it nicely. It's down the middle. And Moana hit the front. Good copybook tackle by Anari is opposite. And now Sao comes back for the home team. Atui Salia. Rovovo leaves it behind. And then it's been picked up by Drua Sissi. And he has got a double. Try time. Fijian Drua. They're going to have to play it. And Lamani throws it out, gets it to Ravovo. Short. And Marcy, they won't stop him from there. Josefo Marcy. Very slow coming out of there. Lamani gets the kick away. Lealefano back there. Taken by Ravu Talmunda. Another good chase by the right winger, but it's there now for Levi Almui. Flings it out the back. It's been towed through. Picked up by Marcy. He has got a hat-trick. Kamoli, the replacement hooker, finds the target again in Curry. And here they go. Here's the run ball. Here's the run ball, and they are over. It's as simple as that. So yet another one. Anari to put it in. Solid scrum. Lealefano shows and goes! Christian Lealefano, they stood off him and he scores between the sticks, and Moana are well and truly back into it. Won just one of their last 23 games. They've lost the last 12 matches. Converted try. And they can steal it. Here's the rumble. They're all lining up. They're lining up. They're lining up. And they're over! It's a try to Moana Pasifika. Kick to come. And it is a replacement hooker that's done the job for the Mole. Samuel Mole. This one to take the lead and maybe get them their first win of the season. Lealefano! Oh, he's hooked it out to the left. Oh, and that is it. It is full time. Drua, to the delight of their fans in Lautoka. Hold on. Heartbreak for Moana. But what a match. What a match.